already started.
Okay. Hi guys, this is Mrs. Turney. Today is the third week of your Homebridge lessons, and this is for science. Today I'll be going over the science activities for Monday, and this is just a quick video to kind of guide you through that. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this off so you can see. So you may have noticed that the lessons are different for this week than last week as far as the way that I've set them up. Please know that I am learning Google Classroom just like you are learning Google Classroom, and so I'm changing it week by week because I'm figuring out what is easy and what is difficult for students. All right, so excuse me, here we go. So up here on the classwork, right here, Homebridge activities, there's all the math stuff from last week, and here was all the science stuff from last week, okay? So I liked that I had this like day by day and you knew exactly what to click on, but there was a lot of stuff here. And I realized that if I continued, oh, look, Benjamin just turned something in. Oh no, he just, yeah, okay, sorry. Anyways, I realized that if I continued in this way, that by the third or fourth week of us doing that, this list would be so crazy long that you would have to scroll forever to get to what it is that you needed to do. So I'm not sure how I'm going to do the things from last week and put them in one area, but I will this week have right here, it says science activities for April 6th through the 10th. There will also be something on here where you got the videos, obviously. It's just not there yet because this is the first video that I'm creating. All right, so here is, it says, be sure to watch the lesson videos each day. If you're watching this video, you're of course doing that already. This document is all you need to turn in this week. There are activities for you to do every day and responses every day as well. Be sure not to click the turn in button until the end of the week when you are completely done with everything. So instead of having different things to open each day like last week, you're only going to have one Google document to open, and it will go through everything you need for every day, and all the responses that you have will be put like directly on here, okay? So here are the science lessons. It says, please complete each slide day by day. If you have any questions, be sure to email me. All right, important information. Do not click the turn in button until you have completely finished everything on this presentation Monday through Friday. So you can add to it, and it saves it as you go, and then at the very end of the week is when you can hit the turn in button. All right, so the materials that you're going to need for this week: water, flashlight, the one on your phone will be fine, a clear cup, different household items like a mirror, foil, maybe a paper plate. You could use a window, saran wrap, wooden spoon, plastic spoon, just things that you're going to be checking to see whether or not light reflects or refracts. Maybe some notebook paper, pencil, pen, and maybe even some crayons and markers. Probably not crayons and markers. All right, so here are the things we're going to be focusing on. You're going to be able to differentiate among the forms of energy, including mechanical energy, sound energy, electrical energy, light energy, and thermal energy. This week we're mostly focusing, or we are actually completely focusing on light. Ooh, sorry, which one? All right, so first of all, it says to ask your child to talk about the things that they know about light. How does light travel and where does it come from? So just talk about how you know where light comes from, how does it travel, and all the things that you know about light. All right, so for Monday, why is that there? That should not be there. That's weird. Okay, so for Monday, all right, you're going to read this passages about light, talk about the properties of light, and especially how it bounces or reflects, and then how it bends or refracts. So when you click on this, all right, you're going to be taken to this passage about light, and there are 3 pages that you will be reading. If you're not sure how to get it bigger so that you can see it better, it is Control Alternate Plus and then Control Alternate Minus. So there. Oh, sorry. Oh, there's my finger. Okay, so you're going to be reading these 3 pages about light. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. That's the first thing that you're going to be doing. Okay, after you've done that, then it says you're going to gather a flashlight. The one on your phone will work. A piece of foil, saran wrap, plastic spoon, and other things around the house that you can use in order to observe light. Record your observations on the chart on the next slide. You will shine your flashlight at each object and write down the observations of what happens. All right, so I've gotten a piece of just saran wrap foil, okay? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to be shining my, was able to go get my stand from my classroom that I usually use when I do math. So here we go. All right. So in looking at some foil and getting the flashlight from on my phone, I can see when I do the light onto the foil that it definitely is not absorbing the light, okay? It is definitely reflecting that light. So once you gather that items and a couple of other items, you'll notice that on this slide, it asks you to, right here, you're gonna type in your object, whatever it was. So I say, I did foil first, and then describe what happened when you shined the light. So here I would say, when I shine my flashlight on the foil, let's see if it'll let me do this while I'm typing. No, it's not going to. I can't do it at the same time. Well, let's see. I'm just going to type and you can just listen. When I shined my flashlight on the foil, it shined light back on me. It reflected the light. Right. Okay. All right. So as you can see, I just typed in what happened. So do that along with other objects. I guess 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more objects. So about 7 objects total. And then you are done with what you need to do for Monday. Now, when you X out of this, remember that you just X out of it. I'm sorry. You just X out of it and it will save what you've got. And then tomorrow, when you move on to what to do for Tuesday, that should all still be there, okay? Everything should still be there for tomorrow. All right, that is your lesson today. Hope you guys are having a great day. See you later. Bye.